Welcome back viewers. In today's video we are going to do further 3 tests one by one in a separate video, and we will test out the performance of Debian Trixie or the Debian 13 system. So in this, what we are going to do is we will keep the power profile in performance mode instead of the balance mode. So in the last 3 videos we have seen the performance testing using the power profile in balance mode. Now we are going to change over and keep it in the performance mode, and we are going to repeat the test on each of the governors available. So first governor will be on demand, so we'll keep the governor policy now in the on demand. Next video we will keep it on the user space, and in the third we will keep the governor profile as performance. So 3 tests we are going to do one by one. So let us apply the settings to the system. Now that has been done. Now let us open the folder where the bin file for the Geekbench 6.5 is located. Open a terminal here, and you have to start the test, and the test has started. Now we have to wait for the test to complete. Okay, so now the multi-core test have started. We'll save the result to the bookmarks. Now let us check out the scores. So first 1188. So this was the first test that we conducted. 4020. Second test 1237 and 4039. Third test is 1229 and 4064. Now it is 12222 4038. So the scores are not changing quite a bit. They are all in the similar ballpark figures. Now let us check out the individual scores. Here also you can see this three test: client, asset compression and the ray tracer. The scores are quite similar. If you want, I will just show you. You can see the scores are very similar. For the second test that we conducted, scores are again very similar, not much difference is there. And in the third test that we did, here also you can see the scores are not varying much. So this is it. This was the test we had performed with the on-demand governor policy along with a performance power profile. So that's it for today's video. In the next video, we are going to try out the user space governor policy with the performance power mode. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.